Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're taking a close look at the Nextbase Dashcam. So that's the 222X rear cam bundle. So this one includes a front and a rear camera for your car. Quite budget friendly, but also packed with really good features. So if you are in the market for a dashcam, whether you are a new driver or experienced driver, then stick around to find out if this is the right dashcam for you. Setting up the dashcam is straightforward. Everything you need is included in the box. First, attach the adhesive mount to your windshield, ideally behind the rear view mirror to keep it out of sight. And also make sure you put it on the passenger side so as not to obstruct the driver's view of the road ahead. Next, slot the rear camera into the main camera. There's a slot on the side for you to do this. Then attach the dashcam to the mount. The dashcam utilizes the Click and Go Pro mount system, which features integrated magnetic power connectors. This design allows for easy installation and removal of the dashcam using just one hand. But before you attach the dashcam, connect the power cable to the mount first. If you do it after the camera is mounted, you might struggle to plug in the cable. Also, to store your recordings, you need a micro SD card, at least a class 10, 32 gigs or higher. Simply insert it into the slot on the side and you are good to go. Now you can mount the camera, make sure it snaps in well and wiggle it around if you need to. To power the camera, plug it into your car's 12-volt socket. The camera powers on automatically when the car starts. The Nextbase records in 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, providing clear and detailed footage. It has a 140-degree wide angle lens which captures a good amount of the road ahead. You can clearly see the cars up front and even the license plate pretty clearly as well. The rear-facing camera records in 720p HD. This perspective gives you a clear view of the traffic behind your vehicle, which is particularly useful for capturing rear-end collisions or tailgating incidents. You can even see the license plates clearly as well. And this is how it performs at night. The image quality is pretty solid for this price range with relatively good low light performance. This dashcam uses loop recording, so when your SD card becomes full, it automatically overwrites the oldest footage, allowing for continuous recording. Each video file is typically about 1 minute long, and the total recording time will depend on your SD card's capacity. For instance, with my 32 gigs SD card, I get about 3 minutes of footage before it loops. However, if you need to preserve a particular footage or clip, simply press the Nextbase button to lock the clip, and this will save the last minute of footage so that it won't be overwritten. One of the standout features is the G sensor. If an impact is detected, the dashcam automatically saves the footage, ensuring critical moments are recorded. This dashcam also features intelligent parking mode, so when your vehicle is parked and the engine is off, this mode remains active to monitor any suspicious activity. Using motion sensor and the dashcam's sensor, it automatically begins recording if any impact or movement is detected around your car. This added layer of security helps ensure that even incidents occurring while you are away are captured and stored. However, you need to hardwire the dashcam to your car's fuse box because the built-in battery has a very limited lifespan. It typically lasts only a few seconds, primarily for saving files in case of power loss. So, what are the pros and cons of the Nextbase Dashcam 222X? Well, for pros, it's affordable price point, easy installation and setup, 1080p Full HD video quality, G sensor for automatic incident recording, a rear-facing camera which adds extra coverage, and intelligent parking mode. For the cons, there is no GPS tracking and there is no Wi-Fi or app connectivity, which means you won't be able to check on your car remotely. So the Nextbase, I think, is a really good option if you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly dashcam. It offers super clear video, it's easy to set up and easy to use, and provides all the essential features without breaking the bank. So let me know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.